Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and change your profile photo so that your coworkers can actually see you. How do you actually go ahead and change your profile photo? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile name, then click on settings. And then from here, you want to click on your profile image right over here. So this is going to allow you to upload an avatar or go ahead and change the color of your avatar. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile photo on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.